No kira kiretete Amwe Rais kumwambiurune mwanya igetre na mbere nyumbene ya michemanio ya KCIC ure Rais William Ruto ethirite agitongeria biakura biogoro antuku yegoro na bakiaria mugambo yomwe bura bakethira bagieka ngwataniro mambura ya yethirite yagitongerwa Rais William Ruto na nkathewe Recho Ruto. Rais William Ruto na nkathekie Recho Ruto ibaweti ogeni marais kathomba muna atongeria bangi bakuma omeambiuru ya Kenya karune ya rais mushine munene ya Nairobi kibia kuria biogoro na mugambo ya chomba dina.
We gather here in Nairobi not merely to celebrate the enduring ties between Africa and France, but to open a new, bold chapter of partnership founded on deeper cooperation, shared ambition, and a common determination to shape a more prosperous future.
Rais Nkolokia kiaria na atongeria baba kikiomano kia Africa Forward Summit ibetikanireti mwambiririo yumwero yotura na urumwe.
As we raise our glasses this evening, let us celebrate a renewed Africa-France partnership measured not merely by dialogue, but by the transformative impact we create together for our economies, our societies, and future generations. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I now invite you to rise and join me in a toast. This is tea or what? To the continuous prosperity and progress of Africa, to a strong and enduring partnership between Africa and France, to unity, solidarity, and cooperation among our nations, to the good health and well-being of all distinguished guests and their families, and to Africa forward in our shared success. Cheers.
Rais wa nthuri ya France akiwa kwinoba tubo Africa na Europe kwe Amwe no inyawe akiokeria kombe ya kuonania mwambiririo yumweru atiatika France na Kenya.
And I think this is the first time in history where a French president, raises his glass with Kenyan. Long live Africa, long live Kenya, long live the friendship between Africa and France.